Setting up Livestorm for client webinars can be a game changer for your digital marketing strategy, and in this quick guide, I'm going to walk you through exactly how to get it up and running in no time. Whether you're new to Livestorm or just need a refresher, you're going to learn how to seamlessly host client webinars that engage your audience and make your webinars a hit. First, you'll want to start by signing up for Livestorm. It's simple. Head to the Livestorm website, create an account, and if you use the link in the description below, you'll get access to exclusive bonuses and an extended free trial. This allows you to try out the software without any pressure while exploring all the great features it offers. Once you're signed in, you'll land on your dashboard, which is where all the magic happens. To set up your first webinar, click the Create Event button, and you'll be prompted to fill in some basic details: the name, description, and date of your event. These details are crucial because they help your clients know what to expect, so make sure the description is clear and concise. You can also set the time zone to match your client's location. After entering the event details, it's time to customize your event page. Livestorm offers a few simple, professional-looking templates you can choose from. This is your opportunity to make your event page look clean, engaging, and informative. You can add branding elements such as logos and customize the colors to match your client's branding. Don't forget the registration form. You can decide whether you want to collect basic information or add more fields for further customization. Next, let's move on to the webinar settings. Livestorm gives you flexibility here, allowing you to choose between a live webinar, an automated session, or even a hybrid model. For a client webinar, I recommend using the live webinar setting to give a more interactive experience. But the best part: you can integrate Livestorm with other tools you might already be using, like your CRM or email marketing platform, to automatically sync your leads and attendees. This integration will save you hours of manual work. Once you've set everything up, it's time to test. You can schedule a dry run of the webinar to check that your camera, microphone, and internet connection are all set up correctly. This step is crucial to avoid any tech hiccups when you go live with clients. Now, let's talk about engaging your audience. Livestorm offers a lot of interactive features, such as polls, Q&A, and chat. These are great for keeping your clients engaged during the session and ensuring they get the most out of your webinar. You can also share your screen or present slides directly from within the platform, which makes your presentations look professional and streamlined. Finally, don't forget about follow-up. After your webinar ends, you can automatically send attendees a thank you email with a link to the recording, slides, or any additional resources you want to share. This helps keep the engagement going even after the event has ended. To sum it up, Livestorm is a powerful and user-friendly tool that makes it incredibly easy to set up webinars for clients. Whether you're hosting a small session or a large-scale presentation, the platform has everything you need to make it a success. And remember, if you want to try out Livestorm, click the first link in the description for your exclusive extended free trial. So, what are you waiting for? Start creating your webinars today and watch your client engagement skyrocket.